Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Restless tunes I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light. Split the night and touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Who said I do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed the wells of silence. From the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway wall. Till they fall, whispered sounds of silence.
It's very well guarded, very private, secret place, with access only by those who are permitted to go there.
It's a 2,700-acre redwood grove and a gorge with one entrance, the big cliffs on each side, backed up on the Russian River with the cliffs up high above it. They have surveillance cameras everywhere, Secret Service, Sheriff's Department. They had murder investigations with dead children they found in 83. The Sonoma County Sheriff's Department did an investigation and didn't find anything. Of course, they were running security when I was there. And I snuck right through their first two checkpoints, got on one of the buses, and got brought into the third main checkpoint. Was there for 4 hours. It goes on for 14 days. I saw priests in red and black robes worshiping Moloch of the Old Testament.
Yes, that's exactly what the book describes.
They brought in a bound human sacrifice and burned it on the altar, telling the crowd it was an effigy. And I have been into the equivalent of eyes wide shut, sir. I have video of it.
Good. And the boy who provided me all this information wasn't crazy, huh? He may have been crazy, but when the information was accurate, yes, that's just how he describes it. He was there.
So Paul Bonacci, now grown up, this is in the early 90s or late 80s, he's telling you these stories.